spooky people. We got home from a long, stressful day to have an awesome Halloween swap box from our friend Karen. Thank you. It's awesome. It definitely gave us the spooky vibes. I'm starting with this because we actually got a lot of these ourselves. I love that Karen is like us and we think the same. And they got low on some of the ones I wanted in the size. And here's another one because I use these for like sunglasses and just different stuff that I need to grab off the shelf and have available quickly. So these are good for those. And they had this one had this cute little candle in it. Now I'm going to sound strange, but I was like, the wick is shaped like a bird's head. It just looks like a bird's head to me. So I don't know. It's white though. It's not black like Raven. So maybe it's just supposed to be a candle with wax that looks cool. But it's one of those little LED candles. And so that is cute. And this is for Gomez. It is very cool. Check this out. He was enjoying this earlier, and I was like, no, you can't use it yet because I wanted to show it in the unboxing. Let me get the tag off. But it's a very cool raven. We are ravens in our little souls, and in general, we like pretty shinies. And we are Hugin and Munin. We use those names for our writing and our magic. And the tag is almost off. I will improve it later. But look, it looks like a wand, like a pin wand, but it's like a bone and then the skull and the raven is very cool.
It's like me and York being good friends.
You and York, yes, we have all our skulls. I'm always doing the picking them up and alas for York, like Hamlet. So this is a very cool little, I love these hollow book kind of boxes to put stuff in, but I've been on a mushy kick lately and it has these cute mushies. This probably won't show, but I got this cool mushy snail ring from Amazon that I'm wearing. Really cool jewelry in it that I'm going to show you some of, but it's hard to get the phone to focus on little pieces. This is a really cool owl ring. I love the 3D design. I have an owl ring that my mom got me that's on 2 fingers and it's a different pose than this. So this will be a nice addition. And so this is very cool. I can't wait to wear it right now. I cannot get the bat ring off that is on my hand. So I need to get in the shower with soap or whatever and do it. But I have this bat ring on the finger that owl ring will go on. This came from Western Mountain on Etsy. And she has them in pendants as well. And I love the bat ring. So I hope that he shows a little. I have him on with some of the other jewelry that Karen sent, actually. I don't, again, think it's going to show well. This obsidian band will show because it's just a really cool, like, band of obsidian. And under it are 2 ravens. That's me and Gomez. Isn't it, darling?
Yes.
And they're just sitting together on branches, and it's really cool. I don't know how well that's showing. That's just an example of why I'm not trying to, but it's really cool. And then I got these cool bat earrings from her that are like, it's like streamers of bats hanging down. That's very cool. And behind that, you're probably not going to see them, but again, just the ravens on half moons. And that's cool. So just like a few things. I was saying I needed more stuff to like draw attention, and she read my mind again. So check out. We were looking at a bat squishmallow in the store today when we bought a pumpkin that I should not have, but he's adorable. But I'm not showing him right now because he is not from Karen. So isn't this a cute little squishmallow bat? You didn't get to see him earlier.
Piggy bat.
Piggy bat.
I don't know why I just went to say
because some of those bats have a like I'm not wearing it right now, but my bat ring from you, he has a little piggy face. Like, yeah, it's like a squishy little like. I have a ring that has a face like that. But Gomez got me. So, and then we have, these are very cool. It's like a pumpkin. You can make chocolate or ice cubes, and they're little pumpkin faces. But it's got a lid on the tray. When you fill them, you just kind of close it, and then it won't like drip everywhere in your freezer. That's very cool. So she sent us 2 sets of those. And it is very cold right now, so we aren't doing ice, but they look very cool. And I might do some kind of Halloween chocolates because you can also use them for little bite-sized chocolate molds. And I'm trying to do like keto chocolates and other things that are healthier because we do have like a major sweet tooth, but you know, we're trying to be better. So look at Mr. Bear. He was from our Fred Meyer's haul, and he is Pumpkin Bear, and he is just hanging out while we unbox. So he is here being festive. I'm not sure where he's going to go when we have Christmas stuff out. Do we know where he's going to go?
It's just like free-flowing.
Yeah, he'll go wherever he wants. Check out this cool witch. This reminds me of some of the stuff at our pharmacy that has cool statues that we always look at and never get anything. So now like we have her. She's like a witchy. What do you think? Does she look vintage?
She does. She reminds me like she could belong to Oz.
I like that. Yeah, they're doing a lot of that Wicked stuff because of the musical, probably. So, but she definitely looks vintage. She was me when I was a kid. Like, I always loved that look when I dressed as a witch every year for Halloween. So I'm going to put her up very soon. Now, these I've never seen before. They're little, these are smelling like pumpkin, but it's a whole thing of scented candles. But they're all miniature, and they're like in these little glass. It smells nice, like pumpkin. Like you could use them as shot glasses or something.
It's like that Netflix show that talks about orange and black, and this one has both of them.
Yeah, it's Orange is the New Black. You mean that prison show?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Orange and Black are also Halloween. It's typical Halloween. It is not Netflix prison. I love you. I said we've had a weird day. He's just working with it. Okay.
Yeah.
But those I have never seen, and that's going to look so cute just set around in different places and making a cool glow. And I want to give a funeral to this beautiful pumpkin mug that is now away so it doesn't cut anything, but it broke, and it was the same. I was so sad. It was the same make as this one, this Wicked Witch, but it was a pumpy face, and it was so cute. But isn't she adorable?
Witchy boots.
Witchy boots. I actually need to post on Facebook to get this other witch mug that I have repaired. It's the first witch mug I ever got, and it's like a whole 3D witch head, and the handle is her broom, and it's got like, what do you call it? Glaze coming off of the inside, and so I don't think it's really safe to drink, but I'm never going to get rid of it, so I need to get it reglazed.
A witchy pump.
It's a witchy pump, and she's got cute little ears. It gave me almost like witch cat vibes. I've never seen anything like it, and it's got a nice weight to it, so it won't fall over and stuff. So that is cute. Here is a cool t-shirt that I didn't get to show you yet.
The promise of a pretty. I saw something. Oh, ravens. Yeah. I knew it would be beautiful. Yeah. Three ravens? Two? Yeah. Oh, cool.
And we just got 3 raven God, I can't talk today. Triquetra pendants. So that is cool. And it is going to be, it's chillier now, so what I usually do is layer these. Like, I have a spider web kind of bodysuit, and I put these, like, over it. So I'll have to wear this very soon. This is lovely. We love our Raven stuff, don't we?
Yes.
And we can share this. So.
And it even has our names on it, I think, in the runes. Let me double check. Yeah, Hugin and Munion, yeah.
That's us, baby.
Dogs.
Very cool. Thank you, Karen. We love you very much. We don't care. We're tired. The Gomez is very happy. I need to open this for him, but like he wanted to show it this way first.
I kept trying to remember. The name of the author seems so familiar to me. I kept thinking maybe she was one of those we worked with on Pagan Pages, but I'm not sure.
We might have worked with this author. That would be cool because we wrote articles for a pagan thing, and I did like a gemstone column, and Gomez did something else like.
And it looks like really beautiful artwork at any rate. Whoever the author is, they did a good job. I'm looking forward to opening it, of course.
Hey, you can take it to play with at our witchy meetup if you want. That'd be interesting.
Yeah.
You can show like, look at my witchy cards. They're new. Thank you. So yeah, check it. Isn't it cool? The tarot, is that Witch's Tarot is called? Yeah,
the Witch's Tarot. And I was just working with the like a concept of a torch, and she's holding basically a torch.
Karen is just like the strongest, most cool witch because she always senses, like if I'm thinking about anything, she's like zeroing in and she'll get it. Like the way I was thinking that we needed our Potter display done something to, and she sent stuff that I can drape around and like put everywhere to get attention. So yeah, stuff I don't have. So I'm like, how cool. And then the torch, and then that, like.
Yeah, and she looks all witchy, like, yeah. So yeah, I'm totally like interested.
And my witchy mug that I haven't gotten fixed yet. This is a different witchy mug, and I still love mine and have to get it fixed, but I haven't gotten to use it. And I keep looking at it and going, I want to use it, but it needs to be reglazed. So then she sent a witchy mug. It's just cool. We love you, Karen, very much.